Alright, welcome back, Honorable Hopper of the Weeds, to the show. Hold on. Welcome back again, folks. This is going to be a short video. I got this Taylor 714 CE guitar up here on the chopping block again today. It's finished. And I've been letting it settle down for 3 or 4 days, and it's been changing. I should have filmed that then. Every time I've checked it, it's changed. Had more neck relief each time, and the string action got a little bit higher. So I figured I'll check it one more time. It's going home tomorrow. I'm going to put it in the mail in the morning. I got to box it up here just after I make this video. But I thought, you know, I might as well show this. If it changes again, I hope I can get it on camera and show you all how you know, guitars settle down after having the stress removed from them for, I don't know, it's 3 or 4 days or a week. Maybe I had the stress off of this guitar. And then anytime you do that and you put strings on it and put stress back on there, you know, there's a good chance your whole setup's going to change. So this one did, and it's still changing as far as I know. I'm going to get you and bring you over here, and we're going to find out right now. So let's do it. Come closer. Hold on. Oh, we got a race car driver outside. Hear that? You can always tell when it's the weekend on this street. Well, I've got a 6 here somewhere. There it is. 6 and 10. I remember this was 16,000. Probably got it wrote down there too, but I remembered it. So, well, hold on. Let me zoom in on the nut. I meant to do that before I fired the camera up there. I think you can see that good enough. Alright, got a 6 and a 10 here. And it should be, yeah, that's not changed. You can see it goes under there. The string just barely rings out. It's a little tighter on that 4th string. Man, it just goes under there and that's all. Same with the 2nd. And the 3rd's a little bit tighter. 3rd and 4th string, for some reason, is a little tighter than we would like to see. So we'll check the neck relief. The neck relief is what's really been changing on the guitar. Raise you up just a little bit for that. Maybe that'll be good enough. And need a 12 for that. It's been getting up to, I got up to 15 one day. The first day after I set it up, let it set 2 days and came back. And I come back and checked it and it was a 15. So I tightened the truss rod up. In here where I can see that puppy. Let's see, 17th fret I think will be good. Well, that's showing a wee bit tight now. It's going under there, but it's lifting the string just ever so slightly. That is a 12. If it don't buzz, I think I'm going to leave it alone. I want to ship it tomorrow. See, that's just barely lifting that string up a tiny bit. You can hear the rust in my old antique rustic feeler's gauge. I see before it got more neck relief in it, so I tightened the truss up, let it set a couple more days, checked it again, it got more in it again. I think it was 13 that time. So I tightened the truss right up some more and I had 12, but now it's, let's just look and see, it's probably closer to 10 or 11 even. Here's a 10. Yeah, that goes under there perfect. It's lifting a little bit there and there, but here it's not. So it is a 10 now. And I think I'm going to leave it alone because, like I say, the guitar's going home tomorrow. And I don't want to keep screwing with it. And, you know, it's just going to continue to settle and change. And all kind of stuff's going to happen if I keep tinkering with it. Oh man, it never fails, does it? Okay, the low E string It's 5/64, so that stayed the same. I'm surprised it didn't drop. High E string, 12th fret, 4/64. Or 1/16. 5/64. I already checked the intonation. There's nothing I can do because of the saddle. It's already intonated, in fact, but it sets down in there so far now to get the action down low. I want to check something else here real quick. Just bring you along for the ride. I can't remember this. Yeah, it just goes over that bridge, and right there, see, it's hitting on the bridge. That should go over the bridge and right on back to the saddle, but it's hitting the bridge right there. What's that tell you, folks? Same there, see? You can't see it. I'll get the camera and bring you over here and show you. In the center it does. Let me just get you and bring you over here and show you. Now I'm having to do this with one hand, so bear with me. See the center? That's the right, very center of it. And you can see what a little bit it lacks. I can shove it up over there. These sides are worse. See that? Maybe if I could get down like this, you could see it. Yeah, that looks like it might be quite a bit. I'm just seeing it through the camera like you are, because I can only use one hand. Maybe see this side better. Yeah, check that out, man. See, that should slide right up over that bridge and right back to the saddle. I think you can see how much it lacks doing that. So, this guitar's going to probably need a neck reset before much longer in its life. And I'll show you these places here again. See, there's the one that looks like someone sanded it. Oh, if I could just get the light right, man. Right there, you can tell where they sanded it. And these other places, I don't know what that stuff is, man. Check that out. That was on the guitar when it came, and it's all over the back of the in front of the bridge. All through here, if you look very closely, you can see it. I don't know if someone glued the bridge on it, and I don't know what it is. It was like that, and it's around the back of the bridge too. Not as bad. There's the back of it. You can see it a little bit. Right here, I'm really seeing this. Wow, check that out. Looks like sandpaper marks, maybe. I don't know. See what I mean? Weirdness. Very much weird. Okay, truss rod cover was not on the guitar, and none of the electronics came with it. And we took that one body sensor out. It was, you need a mirror in there to look back up at the top. It was about in this area, on this brace that comes across here. That's where that body sensor was. Hold on. Well, I'm just a bartender. I don't like my work. I don't mind the money at all. I see lots of sad faces and lots of bad faces, and folks with their backs to the wall. this thing really sounds good. This is a fine guitar. Show it to you one more time, and then I'm going to box him up. And look at those frets, man. I got to wipe the fingerprints off of it again. Check out those gorgeous frets. So shiny, you can hardly look at the fretboard. And there's what it looked like. The back and the sides, I'm going to wipe it all off again. Didn't have any electronics in it when it arrived. And that's just beautiful wood, man. That's very rare to see this right here, you know, in wood grain. Very strange indeed. It's beautiful. I mean, it's unique. It's different. But anyways, that's what it looks like. And she's going home. I'm going to put her in the case just as soon as I turn the camera off. I thought you've already heard the guitar before, but I thought, yeah, I'd play one last thing on it. That buzzing I heard in there was because I was playing way too hard, man. Trying to drown my voice out. You know why, because I can't sing. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to start. If you want me to work on your guitar, I got to say some things here. If you want me to work on your guitar, send me a message, Facebook, email, or whatever. But put guitar repair in the subject or the very first words in the body of the message. Because I get so many emails and PMs and things that I can't read all of them, man. I can't keep up with that. It's just impossible to do it. And I'm going to I'm cutting back on taking guitars in. I've already stopped, slowed way down, taking them locally. I'm not taking any more. And just a few here and there, and I'm slowing down on ones online too, because I just covered myself up. And all of my instruments are falling apart, man. My Telecaster is laying right there, and it frets out down about the, I don't know, the 15th fret, somewhere in there. And just the first string. I need to fix that. And I want to get that Chibson started. And one of my Martins needs a fret dressing on it. You know, I've been so buried fixing other people's guitars that mine's, I've got to take some time to fix my own stuff. You know what I mean? And I really want to get that Chibson underway. So that's going to start real soon. Maybe next video, possibly. Anyways, it's coming. You've been warned. Thanks. And catch you soon. I'll see you in about 2 or 3 days. Cheers. I wanted to show you this one more time and talk about it a little bit before we go. I've showed this before in other videos where the finish is bubbled up around these. If you ever work on your guitar and you tighten these nuts up, you can see, I moved the lights around and they're in our favor now. You can see how that washer under the nut, let me get the light on it, there you go. You can see how it's countersunk, I guess would be the word. You can see it, man. See how it sits down. That's exactly what's happened there. Someone has tightened those at some point, got them too tight, and with the light in that angle where it is now, you can see where their counter sunk down into the wood. It'll happen every time that you tighten these too tight. I never even checked those. I didn't even put a wrench on. I just tightened the button screws in every one. There's something funky with the third and fourth one because the screws are very hard to turn, just even to loosen them. Anyways, I saw that indentation like here, and I'd moved the lights around. I want to show that because I don't know how the camera's getting it, but I can really see it. Yeah, I think you can see how it's squashed down into the wood. Some of them you can. That one you can see it. Oh, where are we? That one a little bit, maybe. That one I can see pretty good. It's even making a shadow. It's squashed into the wood so much that light over there is making a shadow around this side of it. Anyways, it'll happen, folks. If you tighten them up too tight, that's what's going to happen. Cheers to you. I'll see you again very much soon.